Today we are here to do a product review on our classic aviators called Recon. They feature the unique Tiger grills over here and the unique arms, which is a lot of curves and a rubber stamp to provide increased resistance to sweat. They feature spring-hinged temples, which would be able to fit both the medium to large faces and generally make it a lot more comfortable to those with a larger facial profiles. They also feature an adjustable silicone nose pad, which you can adjust to make it sit on your nose bridge for comfortable fit. And they're constructed using a unique aluminium alloy, which makes it extremely lightweight but very durable. Also, the Recons are made with a polarized lenses that would help to cut the glare of the sun and also provide 100% UVA, B and C protection. These can be purchased at www.nipoptics.com, and they come with a case, a microfiber bag, as well as our standard retail packaging.